Just saying, that lady walking. She walked from the last house driveway. She came from right here. And then she walked up the street. And that's not me. Just showing you she ain't even from our street. Okay, she must be going over there. Well, she must be off today. Because I don't live over there. I never did. The house where the lady walked to, this house right here, is 3958 Boggs. Right. And then steadily, I got to keep on repeating myself to say that I'm Mrs. Carla Ricketts, I'm Miss Carla Williams, and I'm on the corner down here at Thompson and Boggs. And that last house, not the house with the green roof. Today is still May the 3rd, 2021 in Dayton, Ohio, not Middletown.